Welsh Water is different from other water companies. We don't have shareholders, which means that we put every single penny we make straight back into keeping bills down and looking after your water and beautiful environment, now and for years to come. And that's exactly what we'll be doing in your community. But before we start, we wanted to let you know what we're up to. Getting fantastic water to your tap is only half the job. We then have to take your dirty water away and clean it before returning it to our beautiful rivers and seas. Laid end to end, our sewers would stretch to Australia and back. And then there's the 800 treatment works that do all the cleaning. The time has come for us to do some work on the wastewater network in your area to make sure that your environment stays clean and safe for years to come. We know that this can sometimes be inconvenient, but we promise to do the job as quickly as we can. We'll cause as little disruption as possible, and when we're finished, we'll put everything neatly back as we found it. So keep an eye out for more information in the post or online. And remember, you can always get in touch if you've got any questions, or if you've got any suggestions for how we can make your life easier while we're doing the work. It's really useful to know what we can improve. And of course, we love to know when you think we've done a good job. Welsh Water, your not-for-profit water company.